Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will give a detailed introduction of best things to do in Irvine, California. This is one of the cleanest, safest, and most beautiful planned cities in Southern California. Starting your day with some adventure at Whiting Ranch Wilderness Park. Located in the Foothill Ranch area, this spot is perfect, easy hiking. Mountain biking. The trail in general is pretty mild. Wildlife spotting. These are large, reddish-brown ants. Take a look at these guys, California harvester ants. Often moving in long, disciplined trails clustering around small holes in the soil. They may look harmless, but these ants are tough. They are known for their strong jaws and painful sting if threatened. So it is best not to step near their nests and just observe from a safe distance. As you hike through Whiting Ranch, you will likely see California ground squirrels. These squirrels are medium-sized, with gray-brown, speckled fur. Easily recognized by their bushy tails and alert posture. They mostly eat seeds, acorns, wildflowers. They often stand upright on their hind legs, scanning for predators, like hawks or coyotes. If alarmed, they will retreat into burrows for safety. This must be a private helicopter. As you walk through the trail, you are most guaranteed to see lizards scurrying across your path. This lizard is called Side-blotched lizard. Around 2.5 to 3.5 inches long, light brown with dark mottling and a distinctive dark spot behind the front leg. These lizards are super quick. They are quick to hide under rotten tree branches or rocks the moment they sense movement. These lizards are such a cool part of the Whiting Ranch ecosystem. The first part of the hike is about to point for KM. Right here is the turnoff to Red Rock Canyon. If you're lucky, you might spot these animals. Here is at Red Rock Canyon. Look at those layers of red and orange sandstone. The stream nestled between shady groves and native chaparral. This stream adds a peaceful, natural rhythm to your hike. Good job, babe. Spotted another squirrel. It is super alert and agile. Take a look at these layers of red and orange sandstone sculpted over millions of years. The trail is peaceful, full of shady oaks, and gentle enough for any level of hiker. The round trip is about 6.5 kilometers. Let's take a break and time for drone. As the drone rises above the trail, the rugged terrain of Whiting Ranch unfolds in layers. Rolling foothills draped in golden grass. Dense patches of oak woodland. And dusty trails winding like veins through the wilderness. Looking further out, the entire Whiting Ranch Wilderness Park stretches beneath the drone, like a patch of color and elevation. 10 ridgelines, gray-green chaparral, and sunlit valleys. From the air, Ref Rock Canyon is breathtaking. Those towering cliffs of rust-colored sandstone stand out like a natural cathedral, eroded into sharp edges and curves by wind and time. Look at the contrast between the canyon's rich red hues and the pale trails. This led to it looks even more surreal from above. We are taking the small steps to walk down the slope. This motion-activated camera used to track animals. If you are planning to hike here, go earlier evening time to avoid the heat. Wear sturdy shoes and drink lots of water. Welcome to the Irvine Spectrum Center, one of the Orange County's most vibrant spots for shopping and dining. Nestled right in the heart of Irvine. From high-end brands like Nordstrom and EV cars, sophisticated dining like Cheesecake Factory, China brands like Miniso, trendy fashion Hollister, the Spectrum has some things for everyone. Giant Wheel is one of the mall's most iconic features. Kids Playground. Don't miss specialty stores like Lush for all natural beauty products. With beautiful fountains. Plenty of green spaces. What really sets the Irvine Spectrum apart is the outdoor vibes. It's a perfect spot for a leisurely evening stroll. Barnes & Noble. Our favorite shop when kids were young. This is a very interesting 3 taps design. Soap dispenser, water tap. The biggest one, hand dryer. So cool. It's time to do some grocery shopping. ALDi seems open everywhere in the world. ALDi, short for Albrecht Discount, is known for ultra prices. One of the world's largest and most influential groceries retailers. This is one of the most value for money red wine. Only $3.45 per bottle. Rich aroma and go very well with ribeye steak. Whole Foods Market is a premium grocery focus on organic and natural products. The meat and seafood are only grass-fed, hormone, and antibiotic-free. So you can imagine the price tag comes with premium pricing. Lots of choices and varieties. Whole Foods offers discounts to Amazon Prime members. Members could buy at a lower prices on specific items, including meat and organic foods. Well, we ended up bought most of our groceries from Trader Joe's. Which bigger, great value, low prices. We have Master Chef, so always nice to cook at home. Taste even better than the restaurants.
Nick, we have to try our steak one day. Yo, see?
Promenade at Irvine Spectrum is a residential project offering resort-like lifestyle. It's one of the ideal choice for short-stay accommodations. It comes with swimming pools. And a gym to work out. Cozy sitting areas. Fireplace. Facilities for barbecue. Cafe Market offers casual foods and drinks. This space is more than a cafe. It serves as a central clubhouse hub for the community. Doubling as a social gathering point with a relaxed, yet upscale vibe. Dog-friendly environment. Irvine has the perfect blend of nature, comfort, and modern living. From red rock canyons to gourmet groceries, everything is just around the corner. Thanks for watching.